social media, is it helping you or is it hurting you? I'm Ron Ramsden. I'm a DYB coach, also painting contractor. Social media can be great. Facebook, Twitter, all these other avenues that we are out on. But does it hurt you or does it help you? I'll tell you a quick story. I was just recently hiring a new plumber to do some work at my place. And I was referred to him. I didn't know him. I've moved. I'm in a different area now. So I wanted to try to touch base with some local people. So when I was looking on Google, I found a name. Someone else recommended them. And then I went on and Googled their name. Of course, their business came up, but then their social media. So I clicked on Facebook to take a look at them. You know, and then after seeing what they were posting out there, I don't care about your political beliefs, but some of the other things that were going on and some of the posts was not someone I felt comfortable in my own home. So I decided that we're going to skip them and we're going to move on to the next person. So I know when we're hiring someone, many of us find Mr. Joe Smith, and I'm just going to use that as an example. We Google this person. We'll go on Facebook and type them in and see if anything comes up. We also scroll through their timeline. You know, if there's a lot of partying and there's pictures and there's illegal stuff or stuff that just doesn't make us comfortable. But maybe it's the language they're using. Maybe it's the things they're posting, the videos they're posting. Something that I don't feel comfortable with. That ends the search for that person and I move on to the next person. Can you imagine if a customer is looking at your social media? Maybe they're looking at your Facebook business page, and we'll just look at Facebook business for right now. The Facebook business page, what are you posting on there? You know, nice pictures, everything else. But then what happens if they click on the owners and they see your own personal page? What are they actually going to see? You know, it's fine to go out and have a good time and post it with your buddies. And maybe it's a little too much to drink. Maybe it's a lot of pictures of drinking and partying and things like that. You know, as we're trying to grow a business, we understand that your life is personal and what you do is fine on your own time. And maybe that's what you want to post these for your friends and family. But you got to understand customers are looking at these, and a lot of times they're getting the wrong impression. You know, maybe it was a bunch of pictures from a long time ago. But the easiest way to stop that and for people not even to think about that is either delete your personal page or go back and delete some of those posts that maybe aren't what they should be, that are on the up and up, or what like we like to call above the line. So look at it this way. If you don't feel comfortable with someone's grandmother or the pastor of your church or a nun looking at your Facebook page and approving everything that's on there, those things probably are best not to be on there. So maybe it's some videos, maybe it's some pictures and things like that. And I know many successful people who do not even have a Facebook personal page. They just have their business page. You can put a lot of good content out on the business page, either by sharing other manufacturers' videos and pictures they put on, some of their posting of their trends of color, pictures, awesome pictures of what you do. You probably have some phenomenal before and after pictures. These are what the customers want. These are what customers want to see. They don't want to see the other things that aren't above the line. So maybe it's time to clean up some social pages. The media can be mean. Although we're all out there to have a good time, the first impression is sometimes the last impression. And if it doesn't really sit well with a possible future customer, they're not going to bother calling you or recommend to your friends. You might be the best plumber, the best painter, the best wallpaper guy in the world. But if it sits wrong with the customers, they're not even going to bother to give you a chance to provide an estimate on their next job. I hope this helps. I hope this makes you think of next time when you're going to post something, or maybe take just a little, half-hour trip back on your social media page and delete some of the things that just aren't up to snuff. Anyways, I'm Ron Ramsden. I'd love to chat with you. Find me here on ron@dybcoach.com. Find me on Facebook. Send me a message. Just trying to help painters get out of the bucket, work on their business instead of in their business. Have a great day.